I want to give you an idea of just how bright the light is, so I'm going to turn all the lights off in my shop so you can see it. This is a bright light and you will be seen when riding at night. Hey, my name is Steve and today we're going to look at the Giddy Up Bike Seat. When you get it, it comes with the bike seat. That is a cover, Allen wrench, and a reflective strap. So here's a nice close-up of what the seat is going to look like. The stitching and everything looks to be very high quality. The cutout in the center of the seat is meant for airflow. It's pretty standard and should fit any bike with a seat post. One of the selling points on this seat is not only its comfort, but it comes with a built-in LED light on the back. Has different lighting modes. And that should make you very easy to see at night. Here is the armband reflective strap. Waterproof seat cover. All in all, this is a really good looking bike seat. It certainly looks comfortable, but we're going to check it. This is my e-bike with a seat post, and I'm going to put the seat on my e-bike. Remove your existing seat and pop the new seat on the seat post. Tighten everything down and you are good to go. Here it is with the light on, and we've already seen how bright it is in my dark garage. All right, folks, there you go. A nice, comfortable gel seat with a lot of cushion. Comfortable with the added safety benefit of a rear LED. Hey, if you're looking at this product, I hope that you have found this video helpful.